Cyber Solution. Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to write a script on your computer that welcomes you anytime you log in into your computer. The language we will be using in this video is Visual Basic Scripts. Step 1. From the Start menu, open the System Notepad. Step 2. Type in the following syntax. Dim speech, enter your speech here, then set speech, create objects, sappy voice, speech, speaks. So let's try to do that. Step 3. Click on Save As. Click on Save As from the File option. Step 4. Name your file as welcoming speech and include .vbs, which is the script file type. Step 5. Click on Save As and press Enter. Okay. Now we need to test our file if it works. So if yes, you have to continue to the next step. But if no, please check the following syntax and see if there is anything to correct there. But first, let's check our file if it works. Don't forget we save it on the desktop folder. This is it.
Enter your welcoming speech here.
So it works. Now what we have to do now is this. But I am going to change the entire welcoming speech here. I am going to change it to welcome, be wise. So that is what I am going to change it to. Now I'm going to click on save once again to save my file. So let's confirm that.
Welcome BB-Wise.
Welcome BB-Wise. So it works. Now the next step, go to file folder named Startup. So we are locating this file folder now, Startup. Now let's go to the file folder. So from here now, we are looking for program data, but now not here. So I prefer making use of command prompt, CMD. So let's go to that. So we're going to change our directory now. So from here, we are looking for program data. The directory is not located because it's an hidden directory. So we have to look for it. Be very careful. It is it is case sensitive, so you have to tap it correctly. Then the next thing now is Microsoft directory. So now we are going into this, which is the window directory. So the next directory we're going to is start menu directory. So we are going into programs directory now. That is where we are going to locate our startup directory. So these are the directories and files in this directory. So we are coming for this. So that is what we need. So we are going to open it now. I am going to tell you start up directory. So we're starting the starting up directory. So this is our directory now. We have it here, startup directory. Now we are going to copy our file into it. Let's go to the next step and see what we have. So copy the file welcomingspeech.vbs into the folder. So this is the file welcomingspeech.vbs. We're copying it into this folder. So continue. Now we need to reconfirm it. Maybe it's still performing what we asked it to do. Welcome BBY. So it works. Now let's go and see. So the next thing now is to restart your computer for confirmation.
Please stay tuned by subscribing to this channel. BB White, your cyber solution.